Hello students, we will solve numerical based on steady state analysis. So numerical number 1. The forward part transfer function of unity feedback control system is given by g of s is given and this is unity feedback system. So h of s, you know that it will be 1. Okay. So the transfer function is given by, look at this, 5 into s square plus 2s plus 100 upon s square, s plus 5s square, 3s plus 100. Okay. Suppose I will ask you the question, what is type of the system? Okay. So in this question it is asked, determine the step, ramp, parabolic, error coefficients. Okay. So we know that step means we need to calculate Kp, ramp means we need to calculate Kv, and parabolic means Ka, and also determine here it is asked error coefficient and also determine the type of the system. Okay, so you have to comment on type of the system also. So what is type of the system? First of all, you will check number of poles at origin. Okay, so look at this, how many poles are there at origin? Look at the order here, only 2. Okay, so how many poles are there at origin? 2 poles are there at origin. So at last I have written here type of the system, it will be 2. Okay, suppose I will ask you the question, what is the order of the system? It is not asked in the numerical, but I am writing order of the system. Okay, so what is order of the system? For order of the system you need to multiply this s in the denominator. Okay, so highest power of s in denominator is called as order of the system. So look at this here, 2. Okay, so multiply with this s, so this will be 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what is the order of the system? Order of the system here it will be 5. Clear? Next, now we will calculate the value of Kp, Kv, Ka. For that we know that we have derived the formula for Kp, Kv, Ka for standard test input. So Kp is for step input, Kv is for unit ramp input, and Ka is for unit parabolic input. So I have written the formula here. Look at this, Kp is equal to limit s tends to 0, g of s, h of s. This is fixed formula. So what I will do, I will put here this numerator. Okay, I am not writing. Okay, so see here, I will write. So this is nothing but limit s tends to 0. Okay, so s square, this term, this term, this term. Okay, so we have studied that when we will take limit, here there is a term s square. Okay, so limit in numerator as well as denominator. When you will take the limit s tends to 0 in numerator, here there is a term s square. Okay, so this part, denominator part, it will be 0. Okay, so what you will get a value of Kp, here you will get 1. Just I am writing here whatever numerator is there, but as there is a term 0 in the denominator, so Kp it will be infinity. Okay, so instead of writing the values here, as we know that this term is s in the denominator, so after taking limit it will be definitely 0. So what I am getting, Kp I am getting at infinity. Similarly, look at this, here there is a formula Kv is equal to limit s tends to 0 as g of s, h of s. Okay, so what I will do, I will substitute the value of g of s, h of s. Okay, s is as it is. What is g of s, h of s? Look at this, this is actually the numerator. Okay, then here there is a part s square, denominator. What will happen again? This s and s will get cancelled, but there is a s in denominator. Okay, when you will take limit of s tends to 0, what you will get? Again you will get here Kv is equal to 1 by 0. So what will be final answer? Infinity. Okay, so Kp we got infinity, Kv we got infinity. What about this? Look at this, K is equal to, now I am writing that value, limit s tends to 0. Okay, s square, substitute the value of g of s, h of s. I am substituting 5 into numerator upon, look at this, s square into denominator. Okay, so here s square will get cancelled, but we will get some constant value. So what is that constant value? Look at this here, directly I am writing, because when you will take limit of this numerator, here s part is there, so that will be 0. So what you will get in the numerator, 100 into 5. Okay, so here there will be the term 100 in bracket. Okay, what about this? S square has already cancelled, so what will be left here? Here limit s tends to 0, so 5 is there, and inside this bracket only 100 will be there. Okay, so I am writing here 5. Okay, here there is a part See, actually 100 is there. One correction is there. You can take 100 also. I will calculate for that. Okay, doesn't matter. But in numerical, here actually 10 is given. Doesn't matter. So what I am getting here, look at this. Ka I am getting as. So this is 500. Okay. So here also 5 into 100. So this will be 500. So Ka I am getting as 1. Okay. So again repeating. This part, whatever s term is there, that will be 0. So what is left here? 100 into 5. 100 into 5. What is left here? 100 into 5. Okay. So 500 by 500 is 1. Okay. So we have calculated Kp, Kv, Ka. Kp is infinity, Kv is infinity, Ka is equal to 1, and order of the system is 5 and type of the system is 2. Okay. So I hope you got first numerical. Now we will solve second numerical. So question number 2 is there. Okay. The open loop transfer function of unity feedback system is given by G of s is equal to, transfer function is given. Find static error of the system when subjected to an an input given by r of t is equal to 2 plus 5t plus 2t square. See, in previous numerical we have calculated Kp, Kv, Ka for standard test input, but here r of t is different. That is not, though it is looking like for standard test input, but this is not a standard one. Okay, so Kp, Kv, Ka we need to calculate. Again, see the formula here, Kp. Now you remember this formula. So what I will do, I know that I will substitute G of s, H of s here. So limit s tends to 0. Look at this, G of s. Okay. So 108 upon s square, this bracket. Okay. So again you can check that when I will take the limit here, there is a term s square. Okay. So what I will get, this s square is 0. So definitely Kp is 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Okay. So I am getting here infinity. Okay. Here I am getting infinity. Next, for Kv, limit s tends to 0. Look at this. Here there is a term s, 108 divided with this transfer function. I am substituting. So this s and s will get cancelled. Again there is a term s there. When you will take limit of s tends to 0, 1 by 0 is again infinity. Okay. So I am getting here Kp, Kv, at last Ka. Okay. So look at this. Here actually again limit s tends to 0, s square. Look at this, 108 in numerator upon s square. Okay. Here I am writing actually s plus 4 and this term. Okay. So look at this s square again get cancelled. So we will get some constant value of K. Okay. So when you will take limit, this s square has already cancelled. So we have 108 in numerator. See here, inside this bracket there will be 4 because this will be 0. This 2 term will be 0 and here I am writing 12. Okay. So 108 by 44. I am getting 108 by 48. 12 4 is 48. Okay. 108 by 48. Now next, here the question is asked, you need to calculate steady state error. Okay. See here I have written it in the standard form, but this is not actually the standard form. Okay. So what I did here, r of t is equal to 2 plus 5t plus 2t square. Okay. So I have taken the Laplace transform of r of s. So look at this, this will be 2 by s. This will be 5 by s square, because we know that the formula of Laplace transform is n factorial upon s raised to power n plus 1. Please remember, n factorial upon s raised to power n plus 1. So this will be 5 by s square and this will be 2 into 2 because n factorial is actually 2 here. So 2 into 2 upon s cube. Okay. So what I am doing here, I am assuming this term as r1, this term I am assuming as r2 and this term I am assuming as r3. Because when you will calculate this value for standard test input, we know that here we are getting 1 by s, 1 by s square, 1 by s cube. But here this is not in standard form. We are getting some values in numerator that are nothing but constant. So see here, instead of writing this like this, now I will write here r1, this will be r2 and this will be r3. Okay, because I got some value there. So I will calculate ESS as, look at this, ESS is equal to R1 is actually 2, And what about Kp? Kp I have calculated as infinity. Okay, look at this. Kp I have calculated infinity plus R2. What I'm getting R2? R2 I'm getting R2 is actually 5. Okay, and what I'm getting Kv? Kv is actually infinity. Okay, plus R3 is actually 4 upon Ka. What I'm getting Ka? Ka I'm getting 108 by 48. So 108 by 48. I have shifted that in numerator. Okay, so this term, look at this, 1 by infinity, this will be actually 0. Okay, and this term is again 0. Okay, so what I'm getting here, 4 into 48 by 108. 4 into 48 by 108. Okay, so I'm getting final answer as ESS is equal to 1.77. Okay, I'm getting ESS as 1.77. So see student, I hope you are getting. This first one is with the standard test input. For that we have calculated Kp, Kv, Ka. Okay, here we have calculated with different input where R of t is given like this. Okay, for that I have used here simple method and I have calculated the static error constant along with the steady state error ESS. Okay, thank you students.